Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now, I'm just going to come on here because I've just got a letter, a envelope from Hazel Big. Now, I don't know whether this is an entry in my competition or not because she did not say that she was, so I'm just going to have a look at it and then we'll know what it is. Okay, I've cut the end off and there's a little bow here, and here it's an Easter bunny. Oh, and something. An Easter bunny and something else. Oh, it's so scratchy. Oh, oh, good, I might get rich now. Look at this. She's done a little Easter rabbit, and she's done it on. It says, Sonya and Jeremy, happy Easter, Hazel and Jim. That's very nice of you, remembering me at Easter time, Hazel. Thank you so much, darling. That's very kind of you to send me this. She always thinks of everybody, Hazel does. She's a very kind lady. Okay, I'm going to scratch this. Can I do that on camera? Of course I could. I'm old enough. Can't scratch it. Aren't I silly? Oh dear, oh dear. What am I going to do it with? I don't have any money. Oh yes, I do. Look at this. Goodness me. There we go. Now we're going to see if I can get rich, okay? And it says I've got to scratch this off here. And I've got a alligator. And I've got a giraffe. What am I supposed to be doing anyway? See the back of how to play. Scratch the wild symbol on your panel. Match exactly the wild symbol on any of the 5 symbols to win the prize. Okay, that's my panel. Okay, righto. So I've got a tortoise thing, turtle, I should say, and then I've got a bull, and then I've got a hippopotamus. Is it a hippopotamus? No, it's a rhinoceros. Okay, so now I'm not scratching. Not very good anyway. Now there's got to be one of them under here. Is that right? Okay. Oh dear, I don't think I did a very good job of that. It doesn't matter. We all had fun. Didn't we? Scratching that. Let's leave it one. It doesn't matter, Hazel. I very much appreciate you trying to give me all that money. Okay? So thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Hazel, for this lovely gift. Thank you so much. Talk to you later, everybody. Bye-bye.